Serbian dancer and actress Natasha Stankovic has shared pictures with her newborn baby. Natasha has posted Instagram pictures where she is seen holding her baby in her arms. She captioned the post, "When I hold you, life makes sense." Hardik too took to his Instagram stories in which the baby can be seen holding Hardik's finger. Hardik captioned the post, "My blessing." The couple welcomed their baby boy on July 30th. Pandya had announced the news on Instagram with this post, "We are blessed with our baby boy." It was posted with the picture of the baby's hand. The delivery happened in Vadodara. Earlier this year, Hardik had announced his engagement to Natasha via social media as well. On January 1st, Hardik had shared an image of him proposing to Natasha. Subsequently, the duo has announced in May that they were expecting a third member in their family. Bollywood actress Kangana Ranaut has shared a video demanding CBI probe into the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. The video was shared on Instagram on Thursday ahead of the Supreme Court hearing on the petition by Rhea Chakravarti seeking transfer of the FIR lodged by the family of the late actor from Patna to Mumbai.
"We want CBI for Sushant Singh Rajput. We deserve to know the truth,"
says the actress in the video posted by her verified Instagram account, which goes by the name of Team Kangana Ranaut. Shweta Singh Kirti, sister of Sushant Singh Rajput, posted a video on Instagram on Wednesday to reiterate her demand for a Central Bureau of Investigation inquiry into the death of the late actor. Bollywood actress Malaika Arora is saddened about the demise of her friend and famous fashion designer Simar Duggal. Duggal died of cancer. On Wednesday, Malaika took to Instagram and shared the news among her followers. "My eyes well up and I can't stop the tears. My beautiful friend, my angel, my strongest, my most compassionate Sim. Love you and miss you so much. Rest in peace, my friend," Malaika wrote. Actress Neha Dhopia, Shweta Bachchan, Sophie Chaudhary and Amrita Arora too expressed their heartfelt condolences in the comment section. Actor Vidyut Jamwal Shivalika Oberoi starrer film Khuda Hafiz will be streaming on Disney Plus Hotstar tomorrow. Vidyut took to Instagram to share the news. He wrote, "Sameer's love is limitless, but will it be enough to get his Nargis back?" Khuda Hafiz streaming on Disney Plus Hotstar from 14 August. On this occasion, Vidyut will be interacting live with the audience on the OTT platform and will share experience associated with the film. The romantic action thriller is inspired by the real-life events and has been directed and written by Farooq Kabir. Ridhima Kapoor Sahni congratulated her cousin sister Kareena Kapoor Khan shortly after the latter announced her second pregnancy on Wednesday afternoon. Ridhima took to her Instagram stories and wrote, "Congratulations Bebu and Saif." Sonam Kapoor's sister and producer Rhea Kapoor too congratulated Kareena on her pregnancy. Sharing a picture with Kareena, Rhea wrote, "Congratulations Kareena, my lucky charm, Veer for life. Guess which producer is on the other side of baby Khan number 2. Earlier on Wednesday, Kareena and her husband Saif announced they are expecting an addition to their family. On the work front, Kareena will next be seen in Lal Singh Chaddha. Actress Janhvi Kapoor remembered her mother and actress Sridevi on her birth anniversary with a lovely throwback picture. In the monochrome picture, Janhvi can be seen lovingly hugging her mother. She captioned the post, "I love you, Mama." Sridevi began her career at the age of 4. She worked across Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam and Hindi movies. Sridevi, Bollywood's first female superstar, died aged 54 on February 24, 2018 by accidentally drowning in a bathtub in a Dubai hotel, leaving the film industry, her family and legions of fans in a state of shock. The Chinese star was in Dubai for a family wedding. Bollywood actor Tiger Shroff was recently snapped outside a studio in Mumbai's Juhu area. Dressed in black hoodie and blue denim, the actor looked uber cool. On the work front, Tiger will next be seen in the sequel of Heropanti. Producer Ekta Kapoor was to snap today, taking a walk in the garden. Ekta was seen wearing a raincoat. Actress Deepika Padukone is being trolled by fans of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. They seem to be upset with the actress because she had been vocal about depression and mental health on social media soon after Sushant died on June 14. On Thursday, even the hashtag Supreme Court for SSR started trending on Twitter ahead of a scheduled Supreme Court hearing in the case. Sushant's fans also claimed that Deepika, through a series of tweets from the evening of June 14, had tried to establish that the late actor was battling depression. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, police did not register FIR. Deepika started chanting depression theory. Doctors vanished. Home Minister of Maharashtra and DCP terming suicide case something very wrong in system. We want CBI inquiry. We want justice, tweeted a user. Dear Deepika Padukone, hope you are not depressed. Just asking. Supreme Court for SSR, wrote another user. The most unpleasant thing is not that she claimed he was depressed, giving her support to the theory of a driven by depression suicide that helped her to cover up the killers, but when she understood depression was only an excuse to cover up the murder, she never apologized, tweeted another user. On the evening of June 14, Deepika Padukone had tweeted, as a person who has had lived experience with mental illness, I cannot stress enough about the importance of reaching out. Talk, communicate, express, seek help. Remember, you are not alone. We are in this together, and most importantly, there is hope. Repeat after me, depression is an illness, reads Deepika's tweet from June 15. Repeat after me, depression is a form of mental illness, the actress had tweeted on June 16. Repeat after me, depression is an illness like any other illness, she had tweeted on June 17. Deepika's series of tweets on depression and mental health continued till June 21, after which she became silent on Twitter on the subject.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.